In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could start boss rush here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, Boss Rush is a 15-wave dungeon where you fight different world bosses each round, and they get stronger as you progress. But essentially, the first thing that you're going to need is a rush key, and you can get these pretty quickly. You could just farm them from NPCs, and higher level enemies will give you better chances. So farm in late game areas and use luck boost to do this. But essentially, what you're going to want to do is head to Sailor Island, and you can actually get these keys specifically on Sailor Island as well. If you just make your way into the main area and then just run directly in here, find the merchant, interact with him. He usually has some. It looks like he doesn't have any right now, but usually he has some in here. But essentially, make your way over to the Boss Rush NPC, interact with them, and then hit spawn. And you need to just go through here. And of course, completing these runs will give you rush coins. Obviously, a higher difficulty is going to give you even more. We could either use them on the upgrades or the shop as well. I would recommend using a pretty strong damage build if you want to farm this quickly. You could also bring people with you as well, which is pretty cool, as well as farm multiple keys before starting so that you could just keep repeating the boss rush itself, because it actually is pretty fun. But that is it. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.